Hey guys, so today I'm playing with this palette. It's actually launching today at Ulta. I don't know why, but for some reason the Ulta in my area had the display up yesterday and had all of the products out, so I went ahead and snagged it knowing that it was supposed to launch today. But this is what the inside looks like. Obviously I was really drawn to like this teal blue aqua shade. I thought it was super pretty, so I did something just a little bit darker to really get it to pop. I am excited to play with the rest of the shades, especially like this dark blue and this purple. The yellow I'm excited about. I did swatch the shimmers last night and they are super pretty. I think it was $18. I'm pretty sure it was $18, but yeah, so little Cabana club. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in this video. My daughter is sitting in her new chair just a few feet away from me. I did bring my backdrop out this morning, which that was an experience all on its own, so that'll be interesting trying to do that every day. But yeah, I gotta keep it to where my daughter can see me. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in this video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. that was it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As I said, I do like this palette so far. I've only obviously played with a couple of the shades, but I really like how it turned out. So yeah, if you guys pick it up and try it out, definitely let me know what you think about it in the comments. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.